So I have a 2009 Ford Fusion, and I had to replace my thermostat housing about 2 weeks ago, and I ran into this issue. This little clip right here is very easy. Sorry, I'm sick. It's very easy to get lost. Now, my classmate actually helped me fix my thermostat. So he lost the clip originally, and when it came to get another one, the clip is actually on back stock through Ford. So I didn't let that discourage me. I went to LKQ and I found some clips, but I also found a way to stop losing the clip. So this is my little tutorial to show you guys. Literally, the only tools I have is these pliers, my little screwdriver, little Phillips, and some string. Now this is string that I had. I'm a woman, so you know, hair string, what people do sew-ins with. It was just on hand, so I used that. So I really don't have help showing how I did this, but turn your screwdriver to the flat side, and you have to, I'm gonna take the clip off and put it back on for y'all. Okay, so what I did is partially remove the clip, and then I'll take my string and I'm gonna fish it through. Whew, my car is hot. I just got done driving it. I should have rethought this. Get the string, and then you can proceed to take the clip off as such. And when you take the clip off, it has no room to go anywhere, so by default it's gonna fall if you don't have anything connected to it. So that's how I got it off. Now let me put it back on. Keep the string attached. You line it up.